Hello. What I'd like to talk to you about is the activity in your packet that talks about using your food labels that you find around the house to do some math with it. So what I have here is blown up big is the label from a box of Cheez-Its. Well, obviously we can do math with it because there are a lot of numbers involved in this label. One of the things it says to do is to figure out how many calories there would be in the whole entire packet. You're not going to find that written on the label. Let me tell you what you are going to find. You're going to find the amount per serving. It's going to tell you how many calories there are in one serving of Cheez-Its. 150. How do I figure out from that how many are in the whole entire package? Let me tell you what you're going to do. You're going to go up to the part of the label that says servings per container. That tells me there are about 6 servings of Cheez-Its in every container. So that means I need 6 groups of 150. Oh, I'm going to do a multiplication problem. I'm going to take the number of calories per serving, 150, and I'm going to multiply it by how many servings are there. 6. So let me put my operation in. 0 times 6, well, that's still going to be 0. 5 times 6 is 30. I put down my 0. I carry my 3. 1 times 6, well, that's 6. And 6 plus 3 is 9. So that tells me for my whole package of Cheez-Its, there are 900 calories. So if you're going to sit down and eat that whole package, that's a lot of calories. Let's see, is there other math we can do with this though? It also tells me the serving size. That means how many crackers would be a serving. It says 27. And again, we have servings per container. So if I want to figure out about how many crackers are in my box of Cheez-Its without counting them, there's another thing I can do. There's 6 groups of 27. Once again, I'm going to do a multiplication problem. 27 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. You can put down the 2, carry the 4. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 4 is 16. That means there are approximately 162 crackers in my box. So my unit for this one is calories. My unit for the second multiplication problem is crackers. So that's just 2 math problems I found just from looking at the nutrition label on my box of Cheez-Its. You can do this with any package in your house that has a nutrition label on it, which should be all of the food ones. And plus, if you want, you could just play with the numbers and see if you can come up with some other math problems to do as well. I hope this helps. Bye.